Everybody, welcome back to another episode on Barbar Outdoors. Today, I already needed to make one, so I figured why not make a video of it. Making a gear stand for all of my kit and stuff like that for work. Um, as you can see, it's not, I'm not worried about staining it, painting it, doing any of that kind of stuff. I literally just needed it for the functionality, not for the look of it. If, you are wanting to build one and then sand it, paint it, stuff like that, um, I'm pretty sure there's other videos of it as far as staining it, painting it, sanding it, doing all that kind of good stuff. But as I said before, I literally just needed it for the functionality of it. And if you want to watch the rest of this video and kind of watch me as I go through making it, please stick around. But yeah, let's get straight into it. So I know I want it the top of it where the helmet sits about, I'd say, right below my nipple almost. So we'll guesstimate. Also, I'm using all like reclaimed wood, just stuff that I kind of found sitting around or like got from people for free. Because here on Barbar Outdoors, we like to save money because I like to be thrifty when I can. So we'll say 46 inches is what we're aiming for. Let's see if both pieces are at least that long. Nope, we're gonna have to go a little bit shorter. We'll go 42 inches, which 42 inches is about right there. So I think that'll work. And my plan right now is this is gonna be the main part, like the actual, I guess, base of it that goes vertically. I'm gonna go ahead and screw both of these together to make a little makeshift 4x4. Since all I have right now are 2x2s. These are 2.5-inch long screws that I'm just gonna put two every probably foot or so down there. Alrighty, so we got those put together. And so now we are going to cut this end off to make it flush for 42 inches. Let's get to cutting. Alrighty, we got that all taken care of. We're flush at 42 inches. Okay, now I want to work on the base, and my plan is to, when it's setting up like this, one, make sure whatever workspace you're working on is level. If it's not, then it's going to come out all wonky and wobbly, and you don't want that. So anyway, my plan is to put two 2x4s across, one on the front and one on the back, and then have one 2x4 on each side going, kind of like making the base of it, like the bottom of it, a square to where it'll kind of keep it from wobbling front and back and side to side, about like that right there. And let me bring y'all over here to where y'all can see this. So my plan is to have it going like that right there. That way whenever we go to put the sides on, I'm going to connect the sides like this. Let's see how it works. We're going to make it flush with the bottom. Like I said, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. Got about 9 inches on that side. about 9 1/4 on that side, and about 9 1/4 on that side. That works for me. Alrighty, let's grab some screws. Double check. Yep, we are about even on each side. Okay. Make that flush. And same thing. And that is what we love to see. Okay, my next plan is to put one on each side like this. However, I think what I want to do now is grab the pocket hole jig and screw pocket holes into each of these on each side. That way, instead of screwing into the end grain right here, I'm just able to screw from these boards into the face of these boards. So I think that is what I'm going to do. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Okay, so I went ahead and put the pocket hole screws inside the holes. That way all I got to do is line up the boards and drill. Okay. Make sure we got it close enough to center. So we got 8 1/2 inches right there. We've got 7 1/2 right there. So we're going to bring this one out to 8, and we should have close enough. So we have 8 inches right there, and we have 8 inches right there. We are ready to drill.
Now we can turn it. Okay. There we go.
Alrighty. This is looking good to me. So far, this is what we've got. Okay, so my plan is to put it the cross brace about right there. Okay, now we want to take the level, make sure it is square. And for me, eyeballing it, that looks pretty freaking square to me. It ain't perfect, but it will do the job. I'm liking the way it came out. Okay, y'all, so here is the finished product. I'm really, really happy with the way it turned out as far as how sturdy it is and stuff like that. Maybe one day I'll get around to actually finishing it as far as doing all the sanding, if I want to stain it or paint it, paint it a certain style or anything like that. Whether it be like red, white, and blue, if I want to paint it like OD green or something like that. Maybe one day I'll get around to doing it, but for right now, I am completely okay with just the functionality of it. So if you like this video and you want to see more content like this or anything like that, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. And till next time, I love you, God loves you, and y'all have a great rest of y'all's day.